Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry khichdi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rice and 1/2 cup of your preferred lentils, like moong dal. Also, prepare about 2 cups of your favorite vegetables, such as peas, carrots, or potatoes. Don't forget your essential spices: turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala, which are key for that authentic curry flavor. Now, let's start cooking the base. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes translucent and lightly golden brown. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant, ensuring it doesn't burn. This aromatic foundation is crucial for a flavorful khichdi. It's time to build those delicious curry flavors. Add your turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala to the pot along with your chopped vegetables. Sauté for about 3 minutes. Then, add the washed rice and lentils, stirring to coat them thoroughly with the spices and aromatics. Finally, pour in 4 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let your khichdi simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice and lentils are tender and the water is absorbed. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once cooked, fluff it with a fork, garnish with fresh cilantro, and add a dollop of ghee for extra richness. Serve hot with yogurt or pickle. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade curry khichdi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.